Hello everyone, welcome back to BISP self-learning video series. My name is Sumit and this is my second tutorial in Python for beginners. In my first tutorial, I've explained how to set up Python on system. In this tutorial, I will be going to tell you how to write basic syntax in Python and run those syntax using command line interpreter. And along with that, I will be going to tell you the basic input and output in Python. First, we will be going to create a notepad file. So I'm going to create a new notepad file here, and I simply type a command here, print. That's the basic command, basic syntax, hello world, and save this file. So I'm going to save this file in my C drive and the Python 34 folder. That's the directory. While installing the Python, this directory has been created. So I'm going to load this. I'm going to save this file directly within this directory. And I change a name to and give a name program1.py. py is the extension for Python. So if I'll show you this file in C drive and Python 34, you can see the program1 and it's a Python file. Now to execute this file, we can directly open with IDLE. IDLE is the GUI interface for Python, and you can see that's the interface for Python. And to execute it, I can simply click on run and run module. So when either you can press F5 or you can go to run and select this option, run module. So when we run this, the GUI PowerShell will open, or the interpreter will open, and it will display the output for the print statement which we have mentioned here, hello world. So this is one way how to execute the Python program by using a Python 3.4.3 shell. This is a GUI shell. If you would like to execute, or if you would like to run the Python program using command line interpreter, so we can go to CMD. I can go to command and I'll change my directory to CD Python 34. When I press dir and when I enter command dir, you can see the program1.py file exists here, and I simple type program1 and I get the output here, hello world. So that's the basic syntax for creating a file, Python file, and how to execute it by using a command line. Next is, if you want to write a program, if you want to write a program without creating a notepad file, so we can write here Python. That the Python is basically, it will call this python.exe file, and you can see that the Python interpreter has been open here, and we can write here print hello, and it will simply print hello. So this is another way to print a statement. If you want to quit from this interpreter, we can simply write a quit command. So use quit or Control Z plus return to execute. So I'll press Control Z and it will be moved out from this Python interpreter, and again I will be redirected to this Python 34 folder directory. Next is, I would like to go for a basic input and output program. So I'm going to open this file again, and here instead of hello world, I write a command. Let's say I write here print, and it's a case sensitive, so print will go in small. If I write print in P in big, you can see the color has not changed, so it's a wrong interpreter, it's wrong interpretation. So I write print and I write BISP solutions, or let's say I'll complete this, welcome to BISP self learning video series. Next, I want to get an input from a user, so I create here my name is equal to input. So that's the statement, or that's the program I have typed. The my name input is equal to enter your name. Again you can see it's in small case. If I typed it in uppercase, I is in uppercase, it will throw an error message while we execute this program. So it should go in small letters, and you can see the color has changed, so it indicates that the command which we are using here, the print command or the input command, they are correct. So I write here my name is equal to input, enter your name, and print my name. So let me increase the font. Do we have here font? Anyway, and print my name. So whatever name user will input, it will just print the name. So we'll save it, get back to the command prompt and execute the program. That's the name of that file, program1, and execute it. So first of all, it print a statement, welcome to BSB Solution self-learning video series, and it is asking for a name. So I enter my name and it display Sumit. If I want to add a simple hello before my name, just before my name, so I write here hello and my name. You can see here I simply write hello double within double quotes and comma. That's the my name. My name is the container where the input from the user has been stored. Save it, and to execute it again, I get back to the command interpreter and type program1. So it is asking for a name. Again, I enter my name and I got a message hello. So this is how we can get a basic input and output from a user, and this is how to execute a program from a command line, and as well as through the Python shell as well. So that's all in this tutorial for the beginners. So in my next consecutive videos, I will be going to explain more syntaxes on Python, and we'll be going to cover the construct statement, the loops, and other basic functionalities which we can use in a programming in Python. If you have any queries, you can visit our website www.bisbtrainings.com. For customized training on Python, you can contact to us, or you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more learning or more videos for Python. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.